This video is a demo of how the Arun Shift Inspection app communicates with an external device and tells the device whether it is able to start or not. This device is the one that the app will communicate with. The switch in the back um, is what turns the device on if the app sends the appropriate status of the inspection. This light here is what tells us that the device has turned on. When I try to turn the device on, it is unable to turn on because it does not have the appropriate authorization from the Shift Inspection app. The phone we're using is a iPhone SE 3 with iOS version 17. As you can see on the screen, the Bluetooth screen, we are unable to forget the external hardware. So we are unable to show the pairing process, but this pairing process is a standard iOS system process that we're using. Now we will go into test flight and open the app. So we're looking at app version 0.1.1 build 3. We're going to install the app through test flight. And once it is installed, we will log into the app and walk through a workflow. Now that the app is installed, we're going to open the app and type in credentials admin with a pin 4567 and log into the app. At this point, the app asks us if we would like to use Bluetooth. We're going to allow. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go into settings and we're going to download a checklist that we can use for the purposes of this inspection. So now that the checklist has been downloaded, it will be saved in the app. And at this point, we're going to go back and connect to the external hardware by clicking on that drop down and selecting the hardware that we want to connect to. At this point, we will hit the connect button to connect to the hardware and run an inspection. We will pass all the inspection and submit the inspection and save it locally. The saved inspection now allows the app to send an authorization code to the external hardware. We'll now click on the Access Authorize button, which sends the time that the inspection was performed and the status of the inspection to the external hardware. Now, at this point, when we try to start the hardware, we will notice that the external hardware can be turned on as indicated by the LED. And this is the complete workflow.